Here's how to stop Windows from collecting unnecessary data about you in just 1 minute. Go to Settings, then Privacy, then Diagnostics and Feedback, and set it to Required Only to limit Microsoft's data collection to the bare minimum. Go to Privacy, then General, and turn off all the toggles to disable personalized ads. Go to Apps, then Installed Apps, and disable or uninstall any background apps you do not actually use. Go to Privacy, then Location, and turn it off entirely if you do not need location-based features. If you do not use Cortana, go to Privacy, then Speech, and disable online speech recognition to stop voice data collection. Visit account.microsoft.com/privacy and turn off activity history syncing to stop Windows from logging your activity across devices. If you do not use OneDrive, disable it from startup by going to Settings, then Apps, then Startup and turning it off. For a deeper privacy boost, use a trusted third-party tool like ShutUp10++ to block hidden telemetry and disable unnecessary Windows tracking services. After making these changes, your system will collect significantly less data in the background. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.